At least 5 people tragically lost their lives in the recent fires in Los Angeles, particularly in the Altadena area near Angeles National Forest. The victims included Victor Shaw, 66 years old, who stayed behind to protect his family home and was found lying in his yard with a garden hose, trying to fight off the flames. Rodney Nickerson, 82 years old, a retired aerospace engineer, also died while attempting to save his home. Erlian Kelly, a retired pharmacy technician, perished in her home as the fire spread rapidly. Additionally, 2 other victims lost their lives in the Palisades fire near the coast. The fires, sparked by extreme heat and dry conditions, spread quickly through the region, including the Eaton and Palisades fires. Investigations are still ongoing to determine the exact cause of the fires. Firefighters are continuing their search for other victims, going house to house. The devastation has left entire neighborhoods in ruins, and the community is mourning the loss of its residents.